everyone, this is Leslie Preddy here with another upcycling project in the home. Today we're going to start with a box, and we need a fairly large one. So this one is 5 by 5. We need at least 5 by 5. So we have today a cereal box, which is a nice good size for us. A tangram is a puzzle you can create and use to challenge yourself and others, and maybe even have competitions either with yourself or with family members or friends to use these shapes to build certain designs or patterns. When I was in China as a school librarian, one of my favorite memories was when students would challenge me to little races to see who could build the shape design the fastest. Tools needed today so that we can make a tangram template as well as make tangrams for everyone in the house. We are going to need a pair of scissors and or a craft cutting board, a pen, and a ruler. The cardboard easily gives us our straight edges, so use those straight edges to cut, and you're going to keep cutting until you have all straight lines on all 4 sides. Now that my cardboard is cut and I have some straight lines, I'm going to turn it over so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to mark 5 inches. I want a perfect square that is 5 by 5. I will mark every few inches. I will do the 5-inch mark so that I have a straight line to measure. So here I have 3 lines that I've drawn. I'm going to line up my ruler, and I will do the same thing for the other side. We're going to make a template out of cardboard, and then we're going to use that template to be able to cut out our shapes. And you can cut your shapes all in one color, or you can use multiple colors and patterns like I did. All of these are different ones. Again, you can use old mail, or maybe even find some patterns in some greeting cards that you've saved, old catalogs, again, junk mail. And when you're done, you'll be able to look online and you can find all sorts of great patterns for making new designs. And if you're very good at this, you can also then start creating your own designs and challenging yourself to make your own tangram builds. I'm a very visual learner, and I also have to use my past experiences to do new things. So first I'm going to go from corner to corner and draw a straight line. So I just line up my ruler so that I am able to do that. And then I'm going to take my origami or my paper folding skills, and I have a square that's 5 by 5, the same size as my template. I'm going to fold it over, and now I've got a triangle. I'm going to fold it again, so now I have a smaller triangle. Open that back up, and fold down at the center point. Because I have this big triangle here, but over here, I need to trim that down. I'm going to have a small triangle here at the tip. So I've added that. And now I'm going to make another line, and I'm going to draw it from here to here, but I'm going to keep this triangle safe. So I again line up my ruler, and I make my line. And so now I have 2 big triangles, a small triangle. Just make one more triangle right here. So to make a straight line, I'm going to take my folded paper. I'm going to line it up along this line here to the bottom corner. We need 7 pieces for our tangram, and so we still need 1 more. We're going to get another triangle out of here. And so again, if we don't have the measurements, the easiest way is to take our paper folding. We're going to fold our paper up, and now we have a rectangle. We're going to fold one side down halfway along the line there. And now we're going to open it up so that we just have 3/4. And if you see, I now have a line from here to here that I can trace. Now that I have my Tangram template made, I looked around for scrap papers for some colors or shadings that I wanted to use to cut out my shapes. So I'll trace and then cut. So here is my template, and here are all of my pieces. So now I have my own Tangram template and my own Tangram puzzle, and all I need to do is go online and look for some Tangram challenges to see what I can create. And with my template, I can make many different sets. I can make them all one color. I can make more patterns and design. So now everyone in my family has made their own Tangram set, and we're going to have some challenges. But before we do, I thought I would do some warm up and practice. I'm usually not very good at this stuff. So I'm going to start by trying to find the cat and build the cat. And we were able to find all sorts of great patterns online. So here I have my cat. Let's put the tail on. And there's his paws. I have a head. And some ears. So I did it. And now I am ready to go challenge my family to see who's going to win the Tangram competition.